When it comes to enhancing the look, feel, and functionality of your home in Salt Lake City, replacing old doors is an often overlooked but highly impactful upgrade. Whether it's your front entry door, interior doors, or patio doors, modern replacements can deliver a range of benefits that improve your home's value, energy efficiency, and security while also enhancing your lifestyle. Here are some of the key benefits of upgrading old doors in Salt Lake City homes. Enhanced energy efficiency. Salt Lake City's weather varies significantly throughout the year, with hot summers and snowy winters. If your doors are old, warped, or poorly insulated, they may be letting drafts in and driving up your energy bills. Modern doors are designed with advanced materials and weather stripping that create a better seal, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Energy-efficient doors can significantly reduce heating and cooling costs, making them a wise investment for homeowners who want to save money and reduce their carbon footprint. Improved security. Old doors can be a security risk. Over time, wear and tear can weaken the door frame and locking mechanisms, making your home more vulnerable to break-ins. Replacing old doors with newer models that feature sturdy frames, advanced locks, and reinforced materials will give you and your family peace of mind. Many modern doors also come with smart lock technology, allowing you to control access to your home remotely and add another layer of security. Boost in curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. An old, outdated, or damaged door can detract from the overall appearance of your property. By replacing it with a stylish, modern design, you can instantly improve your home's curb appeal. Salt Lake City is known for its beautiful neighborhoods, and a sleek, well-designed door can help your home stand out while complementing the area's aesthetic. Homeowners can choose from a variety of materials, colors, and styles to suit their preferences. From elegant wood doors to durable fiberglass or contemporary steel designs, there are endless options to create a striking first impression. Increased home value. Investing in new doors is one of the most cost-effective ways to increase your home's value. Potential buyers in Salt Lake City are often drawn to homes with upgraded features, and doors are no exception. A new front door, in particular, offers a high return on investment (ROI). Not only will it improve the look of your home, but it will also signal to buyers that your property has been well maintained. Interior doors can also impact resale value. Modernizing old, squeaky, or misaligned interior doors can make a big difference in creating a cohesive and updated look throughout your home. Better functionality and comfort. Old doors may not open and close as smoothly as they once did. Warping, sticking, and misalignment are common issues that can make daily use frustrating. Replacing old doors ensures smooth operation, better soundproofing, and improved overall comfort. For example, new patio doors with insulated glass can not only enhance the aesthetic of your outdoor spaces but also provide better temperature control and noise reduction. Customization opportunities. Replacing old doors gives you the chance to customize your home to better suit your lifestyle and design preferences. Need a wider entryway to accommodate accessibility? Want to add glass panels to your door for more natural light? Modern doors offer a wide range of customization options. You can choose from different materials, finishes, hardware, and features to create a door that perfectly fits your needs. Reduced maintenance. Older doors often require more upkeep, such as repainting, resealing, or repairing damaged parts. Newer doors are designed with durability and low maintenance in mind. Materials like fiberglass and steel are resistant to warping, rotting, and rusting, even in Salt Lake City's varying climate. This means you can enjoy long-lasting beauty and functionality without constant repairs or touch-ups. Eco-friendly upgrade. Sustainability is a growing priority for many homeowners, and modern doors are often made with environmentally friendly materials and manufacturing processes. Some options even include recycled materials or are designed to be recyclable at the end of their lifespan. By replacing old doors, you can reduce waste and make an eco-conscious upgrade to your home. Conclusion. Replacing old doors in your Salt Lake City home is more than just a functional improvement. It's a transformative upgrade that boosts energy efficiency, security, curb appeal, and home value. With so many modern designs and features to choose from, you can create a look and feel that enhances your home's aesthetic while also improving comfort and functionality. Whether you're looking to modernize your space or prepare your home for resale, new doors are a worthwhile investment for any Salt Lake City homeowner.